You probably have seen these 3D style clips in your feed. It could be from famous creators you follow or from your friends. It doesn't matter because I'll teach you a few ways to recreate these so you won't miss out on the trend. So the easiest way is by using an AI agent template. Let me show you what I mean. I generated this video using an AI agent. All I had to do was upload this image, and the agent did all the work. From converting the image I uploaded to this 3D desktop figure, then generating a video out of it. That's it. It's literally so easy. Now let me teach you how to do it. So go to Hailuo. You can find the link in the description. Then click on Template. Find the template, Mini Me figure, and click on it. If you can't find it, I'll leave a direct link to it in the description. Upload the photo you want to use, preferably a full body photo to avoid distortions. I'll use this for example. Then, click on this arrow to start generating. From here, the AI agent will do the work. We just sit and wait until the process is completed. Usually it only takes 1 to 2 minutes. Now let's look at the result. So that's the easiest way to recreate this. And you can try it for free. If you don't like the auto-generated background music, you can generate a new one. At the top, click on Audio. Here on the side, select Music. If you want a simple music, just describe your desired song here. Or if you want to add your own lyrics, go to Advance. I'll try creating a simple background music. I'll try cute anime-style pop background music with no lyrics. So that's how you can easily generate a new song for your videos. Now I want to show you another way you can create the 3D style videos. This next method gives you more control on the output. We will be using another AI tool for this. It's called Higgsfield. The link to this will be in the description. Click on Image at the top. Here are some of the 3D style images I have generated. So to create this, first let's change our image model. Nano Banana and Seedream is good for this, but I recommend using Seedream because you get to select the aspect ratio and you can also generate up to 4K resolution. Then upload your photo. I'll use this photo for example. Then paste this prompt. Here's the result. Let's check it. Now here's the best thing about this method. We can customize the output. For example, let's make some changes to the box. So let's click on Edit. Then let's change the model to Nano Banana Edit. Then let's enter the prompt. Let's make the box all black, for example. Then let's add findmethatai in the box title. Here's the result. And now the box is all black. And the text is clear. So now we're done with the image. So let's turn this into video. Let's select the video model here. So Higgsfield has multiple video models available, but I tried testing it all with the same prompt, and so far WAN 2.2 provided the best result. Now click here and increase the step count. Then paste this prompt and generate the video. You can find all the prompts I use in the description box. And now let's check out the result. So that's how you can generate these 3D style figures. Make sure to leave a like if you find this video helpful and comment down which method you prefer using. If you're new to this channel, I'm Mabel and I post quick AI tutorials, AI reviews, and some content ideas you can create with AI. So if you're interested to see more videos like that, consider subscribing to stay updated. See ya on the next video.